My name is Thembekile Dlamini. I'm staying at Sherwood. I run the catering business. The name of my company is Philisanani. This means if you come to my place, you found the head. I'm based in Durban. For now, I've got selling for the people in outside the street. I put it my tent to sell it my food. I specialize for the traditional food like jeqe, stambu, umqapiso. If you have the event, I'm here to help you. My contact number is 072-189-5486. Thank you so much.